Hello again, it's Leah from Imagine DIY, and if you've been subscribing to our channel you might have noticed recently that I'm a little bit obsessed with wax seals. So I am super excited to have this new tool to our website. It's a little wax melting furnace and a matching spoon. So I'm going to show you today how easy it is to make wax seals using this tool. So all we need is a tea light. These are available in loads of different places and they're normally super cheap. So we're going to light that with a match, and this lovely furnace, which has been made out of a beautiful rosewood, will slot right on top of the tea light. The spoon has been designed to fit neatly into the hole. We just fill that up with wax beads or whatever wax you're using, and then it should sit neatly in place on top of the furnace. The beauty of this is you can just slide it out of place and you can carry on working on whatever you're working on, your invitations, your stationery, your wrapping, whatever you can be doing in the background while the wax melts. So I'm going to fast forward this process a little. There you go. So now it's ready. And we're just going to pour out enough wax to make one seal. The spoons actually hold enough to make about 3 different seals. So it's actually quite time effective as well. Now you need to wait a few seconds just for the wax to cool a little. You'll get the right feel of this, but generally about 30 seconds or so, depending on the room temperature. And then we're going to press our stamp into place. Now the same again with the stamp, you will need to leave it in place for quite a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, a minute, again depending on the room temperature. And then when you lift it off, you should have a beautifully formed stamp, which you've actually made practically hands-free. So visit our website. This tool is amazing. I cannot say enough good about it. If you click the link on the top of the screen, it'll take you straight there. But thanks for watching and happy stamp making. Bye.